I welcome you to this video. In this video, I will be showing you how to create your ad account. In the previous video, we looked at how to create your business manager account, and ad account is created inside a business manager account. It is like Nigeria is inside Africa. Then Africa in this context is a business manager account. Then Nigeria in this context is ad account. So your ad account is going to be hosted in a business manager account. And I hope that is gotten. So if you want to create an ad account, make sure you are logged into your Facebook account and you open a new tab and you are going to type business.facebook.com/select, okay, /select, and I believe you must have created your business manager account by now. Okay, so when you tap on that link, it will take you to this point, and whether it is two business manager accounts you have or one you have, you will see them here. If, for instance, I want to create another account inside this business manager account, what I will do is I'm going to select this business manager account. I'm going to select it. Okay. Now, when I select it like this, I am going to go to, I'll click on this hamburger icon and click on business settings. Oh yes. Okay, so you are going to look at the left hand side like this, and under account you will see add accounts. Select it and you are going to see add here. If you click on this drop down, you see three things here. You see add account, request access to an ad account, create a new ad account. Create a new ad account. Okay, in your own case, what you will do is to create a new ad account. And you can see that it is graded out now because my limit has reached. That's why it is graded out. So you hit on create a new ad account. When you hit create new ad account, you are good to go. You give it a name. Then after you have created it, you should be able to see it here. Then you select it and you will add yourself to it. When you select it, you will see where you can add people. Select yourself, and all this one, take it there and hit assign. Okay, and hit done. All right, and when you have done this, those people you have added will be able to manage your ad account. Yourself, you'll be able to manage your ad account, and if you have somebody else who is helping you to manage your ad account, the person will also be able to manage your ad account even from another location. So that is how it works. And when you have done that, the next thing is you go to page. You go to page. You are going to add your page. You can see this ad account has no page yet. So you select page first and click on add. If I click on this drop down, you see there are three things I can do here. I can add a page. That is, if I have an existing page, if I have a page that is new, I want to add to this business manager account, I simply add a page. And if I want to request it from another business, that is when I will use this one. And if I have not gotten any page, I want to create it afresh, I can create it afresh. In other words, this is another way you can create a new page. You can create a new page in your business manager account, and here it is. So that is that. And if I hit create now, you see where you can create, but I don't want to create a new page now. You can see, depends on the category or page you want to create. Is it a local business or place? Is it an organization? Is it a brand? Are you an artist? Entertainment? Whatever. Okay. Now let me try add a page. Okay, so if I want to add a page now, it will ask me for the page URL. The page URL. So I'm going to go to my Facebook account. Let me select this. Okay. And you are going to, while that page is selected, you copy this URL and you are going to enter the URL here. You can see it has displayed the page, and you simply add that page. From that moment, you will be able to run ad for that particular page. I don't want to add it now. Okay. Then the next stage is how to add money to your ad account so that you'll be able to run advertisements, because you need to add money before your ad can show to your audience. And to add money, what you are going to do is, while you are still on the business setting, you click on this hamburger icon and you see add account setting here. Select that one. And if you look at this place, make sure it's the ad account you want to use. Okay, take note of that. If it is not that ad account you are seeing here, there's a drop down here where you can select the particular one you want to select. And you see two things here: open business settings. You see open payment settings. This is the one you are going to do if you want to add money. You open payment setting. Okay, and here you are going to see, you are seeing pay now because I have accumulated a payment on this account before. I've used it before. So you are going to select, in your own case, you will not see anything here. So you will add payment method. You add payment method. And I suggest, if you are in Nigeria, I suggest you use PayU. The reason you are not seeing PayU here is that this account is postpaid. And in your own case, I don't want to use postpaid, rather use prepaid. It is better, especially if you are in Nigeria. It is better you use prepaid. Okay, and that is the much we can do about this ad account now, because it is an old account I've been using. And when I started initially, I used a postpaid, and there is no way I could go back to prepaid again. And that was one of the reasons why I abandoned it and started using other ad accounts. But for you that is getting this information now, when you are selecting your payment method, don't select this debit, because this debit or credit card, meaning it is a postpaid. When you add your MasterCard, when you run an advertisement, after you have spent some money, Facebook will deduct their money automatically. And the problem with that is that sometimes our network could be bad. The network in this country could be bad sometime. And when Facebook is trying to take their money and it's not successful, the next thing they will do is to disable your ad account, because they feel that you are suspicious. Okay, to avoid that, it is preferable you use prepaid. And that prepaid, you will see local card. And when you select that local card, the next stage is it will give you pay you, and that is the one you will use. That one, you will add money first. You add money. For instance, you can add up to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 20,000, depending on your budget you want to spend. Well, when you add that money, you will see that money will show somewhere. It will show somewhere here. It will show in your balance. And when you have money in your balance, before you can go ahead to create your ad. And I hope that is taken. There is another important video I want you to look at that has helped me so much, and that video was created by Kelechi Anodere. Is a video that can help you boost your business, and it's not going to be available for everybody. I'm just going to give it to just a few sets of people. And if you want to be among the people that will be privileged to take a look at that video, click on the link somewhere around this video and you'll be able to see where you can request for that video. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.